Hi everyone, this is Nitin Gupta, the builder of UI Laura. Building good UI takes time and most of it goes into things that have been already built hundred and thousand of times. So I built UI Laura, a collection of interactive production ready UI component for developers. Instead of static component, everything here is designed to be interactive and actually usable in real project. You will find everything from simple UI elements to more advanced animation and layout. It is being used by 5000 plus developers all over the world currently. Let me show you a brief over it and let me quickly show you how it works. Each component comes with a live preview and clean code you can use directly. So let's hop over it. So let me show you one component and give you a brief about it. So this is a 404 page component. Here we have props so you can easily to execute it. We have a section called as when to use, the best practices to use, and why this component matter, and some common question asked by our users. Now you can preview the component, you can even copy the prompt so you can directly use it in lovable cursor and vnode. You have the code section here. You can go in the code section, you can copy the usage code and you can copy the component code and directly use it. And here is the cherry on the cake, we have TypeScript and JavaScript too, so you can use it directly here. Let us go through some of our best components. So let's start with the scroll component. So for example, this kind of scroll based animation helps create more experiences. So let me scroll out down and you can have a preview of it. So this component library is not like other component library. This component library actually works for production. Okay, so you have component ready for real life projects. Also one thing I wanted to tell you is we have add with CLI option. You can directly copy this, nothing, no manual installation, directly copy the CLI and paste into your terminal. Now as I mentioned before, we have a lot of components, so let me show you some smooth animation hero section with we have made via 3GS and WebGL, which is the core foundation of modern web development. So you can see this hero section. It can be used everywhere in your modern apps, like everywhere. Let me show you more of it. Let me go to monolithic aura. You can see this component. Uh, like really ask yourself, why won't you use this? I'm mesmerized watching this. So we have a lot of component like that. Let me show you some 3D component. This is the 404 not found component. We have some liquid reveal components. You say this, I don't know who the hell will not use this. So this is kind of component that are made for real life use cases, not just for showcase and everything. This is made for real life use cases. So let me hop over to you with more of my features in UI Laura. Now one thing, you are thinking, if there is a no developer, like the person who does not know how to develop, how he will do this. So simply just start building. You will see the introduction page, everything is mentioned here. You want to see the installation guide, you can see here. We have manual source and CLI engine too. You can just copy and paste it out in your terminal. Now getting started using Next.js or Vite plus React, you can choose any one of that. We have a component all listed here. You can go and select any one of it, like whatever finds better to you. We have also done this on a theme basis. You can select whatever theme yours. Maybe I am going with playful, so all the component with this playful theme will come here. Now we have 30 plus components, not components, templates. So a real life template, let me show you one of the example of it. You come here, you open the preview. Now this is a component ready to use, so a full-fledged landing page. Let me scroll to it. So this is how modern web works nowadays. But before that, you might have a question, how do you use it? I have showed you how to use it, but let me show you in a real life example. You go You find this hero section very good, you go to the code section, you just come here, copy the component code and just paste it here. Okay, let me paste it here. Now you go to the usage code, come here, paste, and you are done with it. Go to the usage code, just copy it and just paste it. Yeah. Now let me just show you via running this. Let's do npm run dev and let me show you locally how it's work. Localhost 3000. Let me show you this. And tada, from from URL component library to your live. This is running on localhost. So this is your component now. You can use it and customize it however you want. We have props too, so you can directly change the base color, the fog, the speed, the density. You can change it. Let me show you some of it. Let me change the speed. So the speed of that component will change now, like that. Now let me show you more of it. Now you will be thinking, what's the difference between this and uncertainty, react bits, or any other component library? Now the real thing comes. We don't have only web components, we have mobile components too. Let me show you that. In mobile component we have the introduction pages, the installation pages, the component pages, and the platform notes. Okay, now let me show you the components. So now we have web and app both component as I show you. So from buttons to cards that are actually using it, so like the smoky card, the carousel product card, everything. Like this is a card based on Zepto. Now we have loaders, we have toast, we have splash screen from Netflix. Let me show you an example of it. So from web to app we have both. Everything is structured to be clean, simple, and easy to work with. The goal is simple: help developer build better UI faster. If you're working on something, give UI or a try, and I would love your feedback. First and last thing, just join your the WhatsApp community and be a part of the revolutionary UI thing. Okay, just join it. We have already like 100 members right now.